Time, your most precious resource. Time is a finite resource. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but how we use those hours is what makes all the difference. Think of time as your most valuable currency. You can spend it wisely, investing it in activities that yield the higher returns, or you can squander it on low-value tasks that drain your energy and leave you feeling unfulfilled. The art of prioritization. Prioritization is actually the key to effective time management. It's about identifying the tasks that are most important and urgent, then focusing your energy on those first. It's about saying no to distractions and low priority tasks, so you can say yes to the things that truly matter. Here are some tips for prioritizing your work. Identify your goals. What are you trying to achieve? What are your top priorities? Having clear goals will help you determine which tasks are more important. Make a list. Write down everything you need to do. This will help you get a clear picture of your workload and identify any potential bottlenecks. Categorize. Group your tasks into categories based on their importance and urgency. You can use a simple system like the Eisenhower matrix, which divides tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Focus on the important. Start with the tasks that are both urgent and important. These are the ones that will have the biggest impact on your goals. Delegate or eliminate. If you have tasks that are urgent but not important, delegate them to someone else if possible. If they're neither urgent nor important, consider eliminating them altogether. Schedule time for important tasks. Don't just wait for free time to tackle the important tasks. Block out time on your calendar to focus on them without distractions. Be flexible. Your priorities may change throughout the day. Just be willing to adjust your schedule as needed. Review and reflect at the end of each day or week. Take some time to review your progress and reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. Overcoming the time management challenges. There are many challenges that can derail your time management efforts, and here are a few common ones in how to overcome them. Procrastination. Break down the larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Set deadlines for yourself and reward yourself for completing the tasks. Distractions. Identify your biggest distractions and find ways to minimize them. This could involve turning off the notifications, working in a quiet space, or setting specific times for checking emails and social media. Perfectionism. Don't strive for perfection on every task. Focus on getting things done well, but don't let the pursuit of perfection hold you back. Overcommitment. Learn to say no to requests that don't align with your priorities. Your path to productivity and peace of mind. Mastering the time management and prioritization is an ongoing process of life, but it's a skill that will pay dividends throughout your career. By managing your time effectively, you'll be actually able to increase productivity, get more done in less time, and achieve your goals faster. Reduce stress, feel more in control of your workload, and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Your work-life balance will be improved. Have more time for the things that matter most to you outside of work.